Welcome to YouTube. It's definitely channel. Tyler and comment down below. Snow comment form, y'all. Tag it anyone in a good video. Comment on the video. Anything in the news. When you guys put this comment, I'm doing fun of that day. Comment this one, y'all. Alright. Then stop the door. Carriers and the editing. Take it in the one and pour. My cousin Janum in a little pain there. A lot to do in the day. We've done the bowling in the day. 3 games. We got some to eat. Went back to square. My mom got to the house. We were there. The next door is right outside. It's cool outside. We're putting some comment. So I'm doing this vlog. I did try putting a popcorn. My mom was not. Alright, that's the end of the comment and like it. Ma'am, right here. Sit in my room. Sit in my room. And I miss you. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting a chance videos. My name is Jamie. So go watch it. I just do no mentions right here. I got watching the new channel guys and that near by your house. I just wasn't everything doing a lot of this with these. Ma'am, no. Alright. It's 10:30 p.m. Nothing new, y'all. This is good, man. You wanna watch TV, Ma? You wanna win your room? Yeah. Alright. Then you got a bunch of books from there and that. What you do, Mama? Nothing. I'm not. You okay? You're not doing good. I got my hammer right here and Gotcha, mama.
Yeah, you did get me on that one.
God, I'm a double. This is a good prank. This mess right here, y'all. Let's go. I got you, mama. I got you a good part of this prank. In a long time. Mama got me in last week. So I got her back. I got you now, mama. Come here. I got me double in this is a good prank.
What?
No, I got you this. I got you, mama. I got you. You been pranking last week.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna prank you back.
Okay.
Look at that.
I'm gonna give it to us. Maybe have cleaned up.
Tom. Yeah, we got this. We got made up like that. Clean it to that. Some of you guys know. Comment down below. Clean your tub at home. Alright? Let's get it there. Guys, I got it this day, This is crazy. Alright, well, 21K. I'm covered that kid you want to import. I'm importing my family every day. You got it every day, y'all. There's snow coming in. Saturday this morning, Sunday night, everything is Sunday. So we go outside and